Welcome to another episode of the Collector's Review. In this episode, I'm going to be taking you through the unboxing of the Super Saiyan Battle Damage Goku. I already did the regular Goku, or Saiyan Raised on Earth, Vegeta by S.H.Figuarts, and I did the unboxing of Captain Ginyu by Demonical Fit, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for those. Check those out at the end of the episode. Those will pop right up, so just click on one and keep it up. Check out this one though. Alright, so the Super Saiyan, Super Warrior, Goku. Just did the unboxing on the Son Goku, a Saiyan Raised on Earth, and the Vegeta S.H.Figuarts. I love them, and I did the Captain Ginyu one. So now let's get to this one. If you get a chance, like, share, and subscribe. Let me turn this little light on real quick. So, please. For all my Dragon Ball fans, did these unboxings. Looking dope. That to the side. Here we go. Oh. So a hand fell. Let's get out the boy real quick. Alright, let me see. Super Saiyan Battle Damage Goku. Alright, take the little plastic off. Alright, give you up close. Get this light a little bit. Pretty dope. So, start with the head. The full 360. This is him looking up. Down. Arm, full circle, elbow, brings in, FR, wrist, little movable, shoulder, and on the other side then he has the rib cage, and there's still plastic in there. Now I gotta get that out later. Then waist, leg, those are full splits. Not full, but as far as it goes. Leg going back, touches back. Same with the other one. Knee joint, there. Foot, and toe. Alright, so let's change the face on it real quick. Change the space on him real quick. Pop that off. Change is fairly easy. There's a screen face. And then the hands that he has are those ones. I'm gonna have to pick up the other one off the ground somewhere. But let me take you up close real quick. Show you a couple poses. And stick around at the end till the end, because I'm gonna be showing the difference between him and Goku the Dragon Stars. Peace. Here goes a side-by-side comparison of the S.H.Figuarts Super Saiyan Goku and the Ultra Instinct Dragon Star Goku. You can see a big difference, especially in the shading of the chest and the clothes. With him, it's more of a plain, no shading at all. But the size comparison, they're about the same height. Yeah. So check the other video I'm gonna be dropping, and I'm gonna show the big differences between the two. Till next time, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Collection Dimension out.